G'day guys, it's Paul here, and today what we're here to show you is a conversion. So the customers basically come in and they've got a cafe lounge in their caravan that they would like to convert into recliners. Gives them a bit more space, a lot more comfort. They've found that the seats have deteriorated and want to go to the next level, want to keep their caravan. They're quite happy with it, and it's something that we do here. So basically what we will do is we'll rip these cafe lounge out. So everything gets taken off. Recliners will obviously go in. That's the simple part because they're just recliners. But from there, what we do is we build a bench. So we've got a bench with cupboards underneath and a pull-out table. So basically, once these cafe lounges come out, any marks on the floor get repaired, all the walls get taken off, all the side walls of the cafe lounge get taken off. Cupboard gets built in there with a bench top, nice bench top with a fold out table. And it will look like brand new. It will match the caravan that you've got as well. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised with the outcome once you see it.
Oh, right. We're happy with our new renovation in here. We didn't like the cafe seating, so we've now got recliners, and all these new cupboards along here have given us a lot more cupboard space than we had before. And because we go away a lot, travel around Australia, quite often we're sitting inside when it's cold and horrible, and it's so nice to be able to sort of sit back and relax in our nice new chairs. The service from the company that we, Mondaroo Caravans, it was great. It took us a couple of weeks and it was all done. They took out all the old seating and put in the new ones and redid the table and everything and matched everything nicely. So we're really happy with it. Looks really good.
Yeah,
we've even recommended other people that we've seen at a caravan show that they should come through here to have it done, because we're so excited. It's so just comfortable compared with what we had before. So it's really good. So we'll take it home. We're going away in a couple of weeks' time. So
test it out. To test it out.
Test it out and see how it goes. And it's great. Yeah, I'm so happy that it's just really made a big difference. It was either getting a new caravan or getting a renovation, and this works really well. Now wrapped with the cupboard space, it looks terrific. So sort of all this extra bench space is really good.
Bench space. Yeah. And we kept the old TV boxes and things.
Well, that's that attaches to the outside. So you can sort of plug things in from outside. Plus having the new new plugs put in with the so we can charge the phones and what have you.
Yeah.
Because the other one was down underneath the table, which was not very handy. So it's great. It looks really good. It's come up really well. We're very happy with it.